here's the stuff on the menu for today. I got my adapter here, 3 to 2.5. So I'm hoping to put one right there, and the other one down here. Probably cut this pipe down a little bit shorter. This is just over 2 feet. I don't think I need quite that much. And this should be our resonator here. Get us where we need to go to come out at the back of the car again this time. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so the plan with this piece here is I'm going to cut a nice clean cut here in the bandsaw, because this is a little jagged right here. So I'm going to cut a nice smooth cut right there so I can butt weld these two together. And we'll see how that goes, because welding thin material is not my specialty. Usually helps if you turn your gas on. Let's see here what we can do. Get that off there. Ooh, I don't know if that's going to be enough. Let's see if we can just stick it just like that. Well, that was a little better. Okay. Take a look around. That looks pretty nice. Looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and tack this other side here. Try not to melt our gloves. That'll hold her pretty good. Okay, now I'm back with the proper gloves on here. Let's see how bad we can do. Not the end of the world, but definitely not the prettiest. So that piece I just made, I realized that I need to flare it out a little bit. So I'm going to show you how I flared the adapter that I made last time and how I flared that in the press. Okay, so this is basically the setup I did, just in reverse, meaning I had the socket in the bottom. So I took a socket here, this flared edge that you get on a socket, and I put it into the pipe and just needed to flare it out a hair. So we're going to try to flare this edge. Okay, so we got that set up there. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little off on the angle, but that's not going to really affect it. It's just to get it started over that factory pipe. So it's got a little bit of flare to it. You can see hopefully right there. So it's kind of more on one side than the other, but that won't affect us. Okay, I went ahead and just have it slipped on for now. So let's see what it sounds like with just the resonator pipe. So I went ahead and added the turn down to see what kind of difference that made on the sound. So I'll go ahead and start that up and see what you think. Okay, well, I got it secured up for the time being. So once again, I have some more work to do to try to figure this exhaust out here. No tip on it now, just wide open with this 3-inch pipe here. So it's even louder, which if it's going to be loud, it might as well be loud. So. All right, so this is on the ground.